Aishwarya Rai has been questioned. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has been questioned by the Enforcement Directorate in the Panama Papers leak case. This questioning went on for very many hours. But what we are hearing is that this is not the last of the questioning. In fact, if need be, other family members of the Bachchan family could also be questioned. What does this mean? Let's quickly put this to a short discussion. Ashutosh Srivastava, advocate in the Supreme Court, as well as Abha Singh, advocate in the Bombay High Court, is now with us. Ms. Singh, I want to begin with you first. Panama Papers leak and the names, we're going to just wait for Ms. Singh to mic up. I ask you that question, Mr. Ashutosh Srivastava. This is not a recent case, right? This is an old matter. The names emerged a long time ago. I want to ask you, you must have read about this case, you must have known about this case. What is it that the Enforcement Directorate has managed to find now that it has called Aishwarya Rai Bachchan for questioning?
See, wherever investigation takes place, there are different stages by which the investigation goes on, proceeding. And considering even Section 37 of FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, he has been summoned to have further questions. Maybe in 2017, when this matter came up to ED, they would have taken, the necessary papers, documents, and her statements. But maybe with the kind of investigation further progressing, there could be need of the investigating agency to go further and find out, with some more details, some minute details about the transactions for last, they are asking for 10 years or 15 years, because she has been a director in that, that British company which was formed in the British Virgin Islands, and being a tax haven country, the ED feels that there would have been a lot of transactions happening, maybe, to save the taxes and all. And when the name came up in the Panama, Papers leak, so obviously this matter further came up. So this is the way of investigation. Obviously, it is a civil matter so far as FEMA is concerned. It is not a criminal matter at all. And obviously, investigating agencies have their powers, mentioned under the FEMA Act also. They can ask a person to come and inquire about a case which is pending. So it depends from the different stages as to what kind of further information or documentation.
Sure. Now, Abha Singh, I want to come to you now. You see, the agency started investigating in the year 2017. So it's been now, what, 5 years since this investigation has been on? And after 5 years, or, close to the completion of these 5 years, we see her being summoned by the ED. She's also submitted, sources are saying that she submitted a 15-year payment record. Do you think that this is a very long time frame to carry out an investigation?
Absolutely. These cases are opened, files are opened, and when the government thinks it is required, it does these things. Because I think Jaya Bachchan has openly come out and spoken against Prime Minister Modi's statement of Lal Topi, because UP elections are there, and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's mother-in-law Jaya Bachchan is a member of parliament.
So you're saying there could be a political link?
Absolutely, because there are 300 people involved in these Panama Papers, and as you also said, it's more than 4 years. The timing of calling her, of course, tries to say that there may be some political reasons to it. And not only that, ED and CBI for long have been used as political tools.
So no, but we're saying, the thing is that other members of the Bachchan family are also allegedly named in this Panama Papers leak case. And we are learning from sources that if need be, and this is usually how these investigating agencies talk, that's their language, if need be, others may be called in for questioning too. So you're saying that they're going to widen this net
exactly
because of politics?
Exactly. My question is that if these papers were there 4 years back and corruption has always been one of the top agendas, then why was the government quiet for so long? And now when the timing is such, as I said, where here you have Jaya Bachchan, her mother-in-law, speaking against the government, and they are calling Aishwarya Rai. So the timing itself reeks of some political vendetta. But yes, if there are facts, if they have done money laundering, then of course the law of the land has to take its
Sure.
course.
Sure. All right. Ashutosh Srivastava as well as Abha Singh, thank you very much for joining us on this discussion.